Actually, before I zigzag this part together, I have another step I want to do, and that is to do a line of basting between the two dots. And since that's kind of in a space where we can't line it up with anything, we're going to give ourselves a line to help us get there. So I just have a ruler and I have my pencil. Remember, we don't use ink. You can use a chalk pencil or a regular pencil. We're marking only on the wrong side. And I've got the edge of my ruler lined up from point to point or dot to dot. Okay, and actually if your dot's kind of off from where your stitching is, don't use the dot, use the end of your lines of stitching. So that's what I'm going to do. Line that up, and I'm pressing down on the ruler because if I don't and I'm trying to make a mark on fabric, it actually will wiggle around on me, and I don't want that to happen. Okay, and I went over mine a couple of times so you could really see it. You only have to have it dark enough so you can see it. It doesn't have to be super dark for any reason. Okay, and then before I go to the sewing machine, I am going to take some pins and put a few pins across that line that I have drawn to hold those pieces of fabric together while I stitch from here to there. Okay, and now I'm back to the machine, and I am not going to use regular stitching. I'm actually going to use machine basting.